What's up, everybody? This is Ben with another crypto update here, and this time on Dogecoin, or however you want to say it. Some people say Doge, some people say Dodge, some people call it Dog or Doggy, whatever. And I know there's a lot of negativity around this coin as well, and for good reason. But I mean, I'm in crypto to make money, so when I see certain structures in coins, it makes sense to me to, if I can limit my risk, it makes sense to be involved. So I am involved in Doge. In full disclosure, I own a good amount of it, and I own it from very low buys, and I've been buying it still because of the structure. So this is the hourly. I think I tweeted this last night on this flag and how it looked like it was going to test this, and sure enough, it broke out. We're back above 8 cents right now. We'll see what happens today, but this is a big move for Doge. I understand there's a lot of moves happening right now, so it could just be on the piggyback of something else, but you can't ignore this type of structure here. You can't ignore the amount of consolidation that has happened over the past 2 months with Doge. We had this resistance here for a very long time. We finally, I should have another arrow here because it got rejected here as well. Let me just drop it in. And then we finally broke through, and then I think I tweeted about us, breaking through this, and then this nice retest here, and then this big impulse up, which made us flag out, and then we broke out of that flag, and now here we go. So I'm watching this one close. This thing could pick up legs and go crazy. It's that type of coin. I'm not telling you to jump in and buy it. I'm just showing you what's going on with the charts. And here's why I like it, even in the long term. Let me show you this. I'm going to go to the daily here on a different chart. That looks ridiculous. Look at the daily chart here. So we love double bottoms in TA world, and sometimes those double bottoms are sharp, like a W pattern, and they require a retest and then a confirmation, to continue up. I love big old fat rounded bottoms. On the TA, on the charts I'm talking about, obviously. And this is just a perfect example of one. These are daily candles. We had our first giant move up. This was probably the Elon candle or something, which caused this big move up, and this huge FOMO candle, obviously it was FOMO, comes all the way down, retraces back to here the next day. So total FOMO. But that created more interest and more memes, and more people started coming out and talking about it. And then it started to get sold off, but it held. It held at the 5, which is significant, and it held here for days, for weeks actually, on multiple occasions. We made a little run, and then we've come back down again. And so I love this. I love this right here. This double bottom, this big rounded double bottom pattern. And you can draw a trend line in here. I'm not going to draw from this candle because it's pretty obvious that this was a big FOMO thing, and this was the real move up. So if we draw from here, we draw to our point that makes the most sense. You can see that we hit it twice here. These are dailies, so we hit it here as well. Oh, that's where I started it. Sorry, I was looking at this candle. Forget about this candle right here. It's pretty crazy. This one hit the same level, so it's typically the same thing, just days later. I'll do this so we don't get confused. But double bottom pattern here on the daily. On the fib, it looks great. I'm really watching this 785 number, this red line here, because this is where the candles closed. Sorry about my notifications here. This is where the candles closed on the daily here. So I count wicks, I draw off wicks, but I also, there's a big significance on where the candle actually closes. And so as of now, we're busting through this level here. If this daily candle can close above 785, and then kind of come up here and maybe test this high here, I would like to see a retest of the 785, this number, this level here, and then continuation forward. I mean, guys, MACD looks great. There's tons of room here. Crypto is very bullish. Bitcoin's very bullish. There's just, again, don't take my word for financial advice, but look at the charts and watch them, because this could be a very big move here coming for Doge, in my opinion. If it can close above here and retest this area and then have continuation over the next few days. So that's what I'm watching with Dogecoin. I think this could easily take off and create a new bottom. We created a new bottom here. The bottom was down here, well below a penny for a very, very, very long time. It consolidated here for a couple of months, put in this very nice rounded bottom. We broke through our downtrend resistance line. We broke through this 786 on the fib and retested it, which was perfect, and a very big impulse move up. And we are now breaking this high here as of now. So we'll have to see where it closes on the daily. But it looks great. It really does. And I know this coin can move quickly and do crazy stuff. But that's crypto for you. So here it is again on the daily, just before I close. It looks great. This isn't crazy. This isn't FOMO. This is just a move that happened after a very long period of consolidation. And it's the easiest way to see it is on this daily here. This initial move was FOMO. That's what FOMO looks like. In 2 days, what did we even do? It's got to be ridiculous. 1,200%, 12x, right, in 2 days. So this is not FOMO. This is a very nice rounded double bottom pattern on the daily, hitting perfect levels on the fibs and breaking through resistance, and now making a move up that is warranted. Now, if this thing goes up to like 20 cents, or 25 cents in the next day, that's going to be partly FOMO, and it's going to come back down. But I'm more interested just in the 785 number and it coming up and retesting that, and then continuing, and then breaking this high that we have here around 877. All right, so that's my take on Doge. You either love it or you hate it. So people stay out of it completely. I am involved because I enjoy making money as I trade crypto. So do with that what you will. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.